Live. Me go live. Me go live on Instagram. I should put the sheets on the bed. Ooh, this is not a good look. I wanted to ask you guys what you thought about my wig. If this looks real. Do you like my wig? This is a wig. Do you like my wig? Yeah. Yeah, this is a wig. This is my wig. I've been very busy the last couple days. I've only come here to show you my wig. Yeah, it's a wig. But, that's so weird. In the same way that if all of you guys were just hanging out in a room, I would just walk in and be like, hey, do you like my wig? And then I would just and not forever, but that's what I want to do. I really just wanted to get on live to be like, do you like my wig? And then that's it. And then just leave. I don't have anything else to say. I can't really even think of anything else to say. Do you guys know that song that goes, you say you can't live without me, then why aren't you dead yet? Why you still breathing? You say you can't live without me, then why aren't you dead yet? Oh, why don't you see that? Oh, why? You know that song? I like that song. I've been listening to that. You could be here, but you there. You could be here, but you there. You could be anywhere. And sometimes you don't even care. I think that's it. I like that song. It's good. I very proudly vape on here. I really do have to stop doing that. It's really not good. You say you can't live without me, and why aren't you dead yet? Why didn't you see that? You say you can't live without me, and why aren't you dead yet? Why can't you see that? Oh, why? Oh, why? Oh, why? Alright, bye guys.